Today you have a tour of the cell. This is an animal cell and this is a plant cell. We will start with the animal cell and move to the plant cell. A plant cell has a chloroplast, central vacuole, tonoplast, cell wall, and plasmodesmata, whereas the animal cell does not. An animal cell has a lysosome, centriole, and flagella, whereas the plant cell does not.
So first, this is the nucleolus, which is a non-membranous organelle involved in production of ribosomes, and there may be one or more in a nucleus. This is the chromatin, material consisting of DNA and proteins, visible as individual chromosomes in a dividing cell. Around it is the nuclear envelope, a double membrane enclosing the nucleus, and perforated by pores and continuous with the ER, or the endoplasmic reticulum. And this whole thing is the nucleus. So all of this, and this is the endoplasmic reticulum, which is a network of membranous sacs and tubes, and is active in membrane synthesis and other synthetic and metabolic processes. There's rough regions, because it's studded with ribosomes, as you can see here, and a smooth membrane, or a smooth region rather. And as said before, it's continuous with the nuclear membrane.
This is the mitochondria, an organelle where cellular respiration occurs and most ATP is generated. It is commonly referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. This is a peroxisome, an organelle with various specialized metabolic functions, such as producing hydrogen peroxide. This is a lysosome, a digestive organelle where macromolecules are hydrolyzed. This is the Golgi apparatus, an organelle active in synthesis, modification, sorting, and secretion of cell products.
These are ribosomes. They are a non-membranous organelle that makes proteins. They can be free in the cytoplasm, such as these, or bound to the endoplasmic reticulum, such as these. Ribosomes that are bound to the endoplasmic reticulum make proteins to go out of the cell, while ribosomes that are not bound to the endoplasmic reticulum, that are free-floating in the cell, make proteins to stay inside the cell. The microvilli, which are not pictured, are projections that increase the cell's surface area. The flagellum, which is also not pictured, is a locomotion organelle present in some animal cells. It is composed of a membrane-enclosed microtubule.
Around the cell, up here and all around, is the plasma membrane, a membrane enclosing the cell, which consists of a lipid bilayer that includes within it different peripheral proteins, integral proteins, cholesterol, and and different signal receptors as part of a fluid mosaic model.
Also not pictured is the cytoskeleton, which reinforces cell shape, functions in cell movement, and components are made of protein. It consists of microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules.
This is a plant cell. I already forgot what I was going to say. Many of the organelles are the same as in an animal cell. However, there are some distinct differences.
One of those main differences is the chloroplast, a photosynthetic organelle that converts energy of sunlight to chemical energy stored in sugar molecules. It is notable for its green appearance, which is caused by the green pigment chlorophyll, which assists in photosynthesis, and is a double membrane organelle like the mitochondria.
This is the central vacuole, a prominent organelle in older plant cells. Its functions include storage, breakdown of waste products, hydrolysis of macromolecules, and the enlargement of a vacuole is a major mechanism of plant growth.
This is the tonoplast, which is a membrane enclosing the central vacuole. This is a plasmodesmata, which is a channel through the cell wall that connects the cytoplasms of adjacent cells. This is the cell wall, which is an outer layer that maintains the cell shape and protects the cell from mechanical damage. The cell wall is made of cellulose and other polysaccharides and is made of protein.
This is a lysosome, a digestive organ. Just keep that in there.